Hello everyone, thanks for watching the video. Today we're going to be trying out this Siphon transfer pump kit and see how well it works. I'm about to cut the grass for the first time this year, so we're going to try this on fuel and maybe oil, but definitely fuel. So let's get it out of this packaging. Here's what we have in our kit. We've got two red hoses, an intake hose for the pump, and then a discharge hose. We have an air hose, little nozzle. I'm not going to be messing with that today. And we've got one hose for the oil. Let me show you how to connect this for the, let's just do the gas and the oil today. So let me show you how to connect it to siphon out the gas. Here's a look at the siphon pump. So these ends are both kind of a hard rubber. That's where the hoses are going to go. Then we've got a hard plastic for the top of the pump, metal, and we're tube here to push down. A rod. We're going to oil this because it's completely dry. I'm going to use the Singer all-purpose oil. Just lube this down before we begin. Okay. All right, we have these two plastic sleeves that go over the red hose, just like that. Now we've got to connect to the top, which is going to be the intake. Push that in and then push the sleeve over like that. Okay, and that's our intake. Now we'll do the same thing for the discharge. Okay. So here's the gasoline application today. Got this lawnmower, just took the gas cap off. The gas in here has been sitting for about 2.5 to 3 months. I'm not sure if it's got water in it or if it's bad now. I didn't use any of the stable stuff this year, so I don't want to run it into my engine until I at least see what it looks like. Typically what I would do is I would pull the hose off from the tank and then run the gas into your red plastic gas tank. Of course that creates a mess, gets all over the place, you got to wear gloves and that kind of thing. So we're going to try our siphon on this today and take a look at that gas. Going to take the intake hose, push it all the way down to the bottom of the gas tank. I don't have a whole lot of gas in there. Probably like maybe 2 quarts. Okay, discharge hose. Got this glass container. I normally wouldn't put it in a glass container, but just so we can see what the gas is going to look like, I'm going to use that. All right, let's see how well this is going to work. Okay. I just have to hold it here in my other hand and make sure that it's staying at the bottom of the tank. But yeah, looking good. So what I want to do is I want to drain all this out as much as I possibly can, and then I want to check and see if there's water in this gas. Like I said, all right, so I think we're finished. Like I said, it's about yeah, I think I see some. Yeah, I see some water already. Let me show you. See where it's settled right there. Don't know if you'll be able to see that, but it's puddled right there, kind of in the middle. See it right here. So I'm going to dispose of that. I don't want to run it with this, so I'll go out and get some fresh gas. But yeah, I was hoping it wasn't going to be in there and I was going to use it and cut the grass. So anyway, that's going to be helpful. No gloves. Let's go ahead and try the oil. So to connect the black oil hose, we take the red intake off. Take the black, the small black, this is rubber. And we're going to put the sleeve, take this sleeve off of the red hose, put it over, take this little adapter that was provided, push the hose into it. Okay, now take it, push it in here like that to the intake, put this on here, okay, and we should be good. Now we'll use the same discharge hose as we did for the gas, and we'll just put that in our pan, and of course we'll take the intake line and we'll put it to our reservoir, our oil reservoir. I think we're just blowing out air now. Okay, I think we're finished up. I can change my oil. I'm gonna go get some new gas. Still got a couple hours before it gets dark, so I should be able to cut the grass today. And one final thing I want to show is how to clean. Use some soap and water. Just using detergent. Got the discharge hose we did from the oil in this water. That's going to be it for the siphon transfer pump kit. Pretty handy. I will be using it for both checking my gas for any water if it's been sitting for a long period of time, and replacing my oil. So hope it's been helpful. Till next time, have a nice day. And that was the whatever that is there brand. I'll try to leave a link below to this or something very similar to this. All right, have a nice day. Take care.